Say what? What? Oh, yes, there, we're live. What? Here we are. There, wait, I can see you. Can I see you? Yes, I can. Wait. Do, 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 do. Why am I saying that? I dream of Jeannie. Why? Why? Am I live? I'm live. I'm live. There we are. Yes! Yes, people are popping up. Here's my light thingamajigger. It's just pointed at my face. How long has it been? How long has it been, kids, since I was live with you? Not only am I live, I'm alive, which, you know, we weren't sure for about 5 minutes. Oh, wow, look, there you all are. Yay! I'm back. I'm back. I was in France. I was in France for like a month. And then no sooner do I come home. Minutes practically. Really, literally came up from France, dumped the luggage out on the floor, packed a different bag, and left and went to Missouri. I went from Paris to Macon, Missouri. I know, it's totally bananas, and it was very exciting. I will have stories. We're going to be doing. I'm going to be live like crazy. I'm back. I'm back. We're going to be doing some readings. I'm thinking some Mark Twain. Yeah, because I'm spending all this time in Missouri. Yeah, Mark Twain. So we'll do some of that, and then I'm going to like Missouri again. Yeah, just when you thought it was safe. Yeah. Just when you thought it's safe, she's back. So I'm fine. I'm totally healthy now. Everything worked out great. I'm totally good, and it was an adventure. It was an adventure. So today, I'm just letting a few sign on. We have things. Should I put on the bonnet? I feel like I should put on the bonnet. Then I'm really back, right? If I'm wearing the bonnet, then I'm like officially back. So I have a thing. I have a thing today. So remember, I know you do. That's right. There's a Paris in Missouri. Who knew? So here's the deal. Remember when I had those bears, those darling bears? They were so cute, the little bear. And there were the Ingalls bears and the Olsen bears. Okay, so there's these people. The Queen's Treasures. How apropos that the Queen's Treasures should be doing the Little House stuff. The Queen's Treasures, and they are awesome. And they do all the Little House on the Prairie. Little House on the Prairie. Official toys and stuff. And they're on Instagram. You got to go on Instagram. I know you're like, another thing. Yeah, go on Instagram because there's going to be things happening. They're the Queen's Treasures, one word. They're on Instagram, and there's going to be a giveaway. There's going to be things, prizes, and stuff. So, but today, what am I talking about? What am I babbling about? So, as you know, the Queen's Treasures have put out a beautiful Laura doll, of course. And they put out those bears, the Ingalls bears and the Olsen's bears, Nellie bear. So there's, a Laura doll. There's a Mary doll. And there's even a little horsey in a cart. It's all there, but so, obvious question. Where's the Nellie doll? So look. Oh, look, Marie even says, Queen's Treasure, they're near me. They're lovely here. Look what came in the mail while I was out of town. Oh, look. It's a box. It's a box. Oh, look, it's from the Queen's Treasures. What could it possibly be? It's a box. It's a box. And it says Little House on the Prairie. The Queen's Treasures, 18-inch doll collection, Little House on the Prairie. Nellie Oleson. It says Nellie Oleson on the box. And there's a window. There's a window. You can't see her because she is protective because she's hiding. Remember in like Bunny? When I was like peeking through the curtains upstairs, it's like that. She's peeking. She's peeking. She's peeking through the curtains. It comes in a little book. It's like the authenticity thing. Little book. Imagine over 140 years ago. Because yeah, Laura, it's like 140 years ago. A pretty girl. Oh, excuse me. I need glasses. This is good. What does it say in the little book that comes with the little doll? It says, a very pretty girl with long yellow curls and 2 pink bows on top. Now, notice it says a very pretty girl. It doesn't just say a pretty girl. It says a very pretty girl. I just want to go on record that it does say it's a very pretty girl. Very pretty girl with long yellow curls and 2 pink bows on top. That's me, Nellie Oleson. Live with my parents and brother Willie in Walnut Grove, Minnesota, above the only mercantile store in town. And as you know, my home is the best home in all of Walnut Grove. My parents, Nels and Mrs. Harriet Olson, owned and ran it. My brother and Willie and I Could have as much candy and as many toys as we wanted. Oh, yes. This made the other children in town horribly jealous. I always tried it. This is fantastic, by the way. There's a whole like script. This is like amazing. I always tried to be gracious and generous to the other children. You know that I did. But sometimes girls like Laura and Mary Ingalls could be so common and peevish. I just called them peevish. I know. I'm having an identity crisis. I just feel so Nellie here. Peevish. They wore dull dresses and sometimes went without shoes. And then it says, yeah, country girls. It does. I want to read the whole thing, but it's like this. It's an entire Nellie inner monologue. There's a complete Nellie Oleson inner monologue attached with this doll. I'm serious. So you can read this to your heart's content. And then there's their Laura they do, and there's the horsey and all that stuff, right? It does. It's really fantastic. It goes on and on. It's like a whole internal monologue of Nellie. I'm very excited about that. But of course, I am here to show you. Do you know there's people who do unboxing videos on YouTube and it's like their whole lives? It's all they do. Oh, here's the bear. Here's the bear. You remember the bear? Remember we're showing off the Nellie bear before when I had the Nellie bears and the bear. Oh, wow. Now you've seen other Nellie dolls. You've seen other Nellie dolls because there was like that China one, but no. Well, wait, she has netting. She has netting. She has netting over her face. I'm taking this. She has a hairnet to keep her beautiful curls perfect. I used to have to wear them sometimes. To get her beautiful curls perfect. Her little bow. Did her little bow slide down? Oh, her little bow has slid. Her little bow is slid. Wait, pull. There we go. Come on, girls, get that right. There it is. Her bow slid. Oh, there she is. First of all, look at those curls. Look at those curls. And they bounce. And the curls are bouncing and behaving. The curls are completely, yes, bouncing and behaving. They are totally bouncing and behaving. Woo! And there she's, and look at that. Are we wearing matching lipstick? She's wearing pink lipstick. Those eyes. They follow you around the room. It's like terrifying. Look at those eyes. She has this smirk. She has a smirk. She's just ever so slightly sly. She's cute. She's beautiful, but a little bit sly. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Ooh. Like a 3D movie. She's gorgeous. Oh, and look at her. She does her hands go, the arms go all the way up. Whee! She can dance. And the little legs, her knees don't bend. She's old fashioned. But look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. Look at the soles. They're quite well made. The shoes. She has little shoes. And they have little bows on them. Da, 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 da. And look at this dress. Look at the flowers on this dress. Look at this pattern. Is this stunning? I'm beside myself. This is fantastic. And her little sash, got a little sash, and she has a little sash. And I'm not pulling up her dress. She has pantaloons. She has lovely, fancy. Let's see. Yes, 1800s pantaloons. She is fully dressed. And look at the little lacy collar. Look at the sleeves. The little foofy puff sleeves, like I had on the show even. But she's like the real Nellie. She's like the real Nellie from the books. And she has the hands. She's like, Mama. No, wait. Okay. Remember, there was the episode in the show. I had a doll, and I was showing off my doll. And what did I say? And she does it in the books too. The Nellie in the books did it, and the Nellie show did it. If I lay her down, her eyes close. If you lie her down to go to sleep, her eyes close. Like Nellie's doll, her eyes close. And then she sits up and goes, whoa, wakey. There she is. I'm dying here. This is fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm sitting trying to look at your comments. And she totally goes. And her little arms, they go all the way up, all the way back. She can do stuff, and she can look like walk. You could almost make her walk. And the bows. Look at the pink bows. And they're on real little clips. They're not like glued on some cheapy thing. No, they're clipped. There are clips, and so you can adjust them. You can do her hair. You can change her hair. You could pull the thing higher. You could pull it back and do like Leo had later. You can change her hair. You can do it like that good. Look at those bangs. Wait, I can't do the face. Okay, that's terrifying. Oh, this is great. Are your comments? There's your comments. You know how it is. It gets crazy, and then the comics don't want to come on. There you are. There you are. Okay, I can do it. I can do the face because she's like. I have to make my eyes bigger. Her, I think she's nicer than that old one I had, the extra drink one. She is stunning. She is stunning. This girl is stunning. She is the official Nellie Oleson Queen's Treasures Little House on the Prairie 18-inch doll. And yes, you can buy her. You can buy her. Yes, can we buy you? You can buy me. Yes, she's on the Queen Treasures website. And if you go to, I want to do just like this. Okay, the Queen's Treasures. To the yes, what? Yes, the Queen's Treasures, queenstreasures.com. That's right, Nellie. And you go there now. You can buy. And then what do you say? What do you say? What? Nellie? Well, yeah. Oh, the code, Nellie. So if you go to the Queen's Treasures website, and you see her, it's right there. And yes, and you use the code Nellie, Nellie. It's like discounts. Because we all know, like Mrs. Olson, we're frugal. We like to save money. So you can use the Nellie code. Like before, we love that Nellie code. Save a couple bucks. And have that beautiful doll. And she has a little bear. She has the little bear. Look at the little bear. I have a bear. You want your bear? Yes, here's your bear. Here's your bear, dear. She's got her bear. And just like the cutest thing in the whole world. And so you got to go on Instagram, because on Instagram, we're going to be doing stuff. Yeah, it's going to be giveaways. And there's like, oh yeah, you can get her. You can win her. And you can win her and a bonnet and an autograph picture. Because I will autograph stuff. Yes, I will autograph stuff. An autograph picture and an autograph bonnet with her. A whole package. An entire Nellie package can be yours. So, but you need to go on Instagram and check it out there and follow the stuff. But look at her. I'm just gonna make this face from now on. I think we should have a tea party. Should we have a tea party? Yes, we should. She can sit. We should have a tea party. With her. That's what I think I'm going to do. She is delightful. I've never done an unboxing. She has a panel in. Looks like the dress. The dress in the back. There's Velcro. So yeah, you could change your clothes. You can change your hair. You can do all kinds of things. Oh, she goes to sleep. That kills me. Oh, when you lay her down and her little eyes closed. In the box, open eyes. Wait, close there. Eyes are closed, snitches. Open eyes, wiggy. Oh, go. Wiggy. I am so happy. You know how I am. You know how happy I am that there's a Nellie doll. Because sure, Laura. Of course, it's a Laura doll. There's a Nellie doll now. And she's gorgeous. And she's absolutely gorgeous. And she's on the Queen Treasures website. And she's going to be all over Instagram. And it's a thing. And I'm so happy. It's my doll. You can't touch it. Don't touch my doll. I am so happy. And this one's mine. You really can't touch it. This one's mine. They sent me this. I'm so happy there's a Nellie doll. I am so excited. And I've never done like an unboxing video. This is Orion. This is so much fun. Shake your hair. She's just lovely. So there you are. Visit the Queen's Treasures. Visit us on Instagram. We will be doing giveaway. And I'm back. I'm going to be doing stuff. We're going to be doing some readings. We'll be doing some Facebook Lives. We're going to be cooking again. We're just like back, and everything's going to be great. And there's, like I said, there's going to be prizes. Games and prizes. And we love that. And I love you guys. And thank you all for thinking of me when I was lying flat on my back for a few minutes there. And I will see you guys like soon. I don't know. Tomorrow. I might see you tomorrow. All right then.